Imagine if you could get your fire going at the push of a button. And if you didn't have to stay up late waiting for the fire to die. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Think how much more you'd enjoy your fireplace if it didn't make everything smell of smoke, and if it was actually efficient at heating your home. A gas insert from The Place can make all this a reality. A completely sealed system, it fits into your existing fireplace and looks fantastic. You'll still enjoy mesmerizing flames, but with none of the mess or energy wastage that comes with burning wood, effectively stopping your fireplace from drawing cold air in and throwing warm air away. Choose a modern linear look or the traditional log style. We have the largest selection by the top brands, Heatilator and Heat&Glo. Visit The Place on Route 18 in Medina today and be warm this winter.